Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do another video. Basically, I'm currently in the Yorkshire Dales. I got here about 3 o'clock today, and I've just been door knocking, trying to get some more rabbiting permission. I feel like I should clean in this screen. They're not too bad on the actual viewfinder. Yeah, I've been trying to get some permission. I've probably asked 6-7 farms, and out of those I've managed to get 2 lots of permission. Tomorrow we're going to be ferreting some new permission, so can't wait. Okay, I'm off ferreting now. Just got both ferrets, Titch and Rich. I've left the dogs. We're going to go out again later. So I'm only going to be out for a couple of hours. I've got a few personettes, probably got 15 to 20 personettes, and got the drone. So yeah, I'll have to sort out the lighting on this camera before we proceed. But hopefully we have a good couple of hours. I know where I'm heading. Not far from the farm there's a warren, of which I've seen about 8 rabbits sitting outside of it. So we're going to head there, and hopefully that's all we need to do, is that. Get plenty of footage. This is where I seen the rabbits, and I've just seen at least 10 to 15 again. But it's going to be very difficult to ferret by myself. It's an old train line banking, so yeah, no good for me. I'm gonna have a little look around the surrounding area, see if there's any more warrens. I think I can see one, so let's head over to that and see if we'll have a go there. Start there. Right, we're going to start netting up this one. Before I've even had a chance to net up, a rabbit's bolted and gone into a nettle patch down the bottom, so it's not a great start. I'm definitely regretting not bringing the dog. I think if I had the dogs, I wouldn't even put nets down. I would just try bolting them to the dog. I've got a bad feeling there's not going to be anything in this, but hopefully it proves me wrong. I'm going to run both ferrets through. By the way, for those that don't know, this is Titch, this is Rich. Big Rich, little Titch. So I bolted 2 rabbits. If I'd seen that one, you might have missed that one. Both bolted out, holes I've not netted up. That would teach me, wouldn't it? Pick the nets up. Move on. And don't make the same mistake twice. Pick these nets up. Yeah, just gonna have a scout around, see if we can find some other little warrens. The ground's really hard, so I'm struggling to push the pegs into the ground. Well, the ferrets have stayed down. Bar rabbit. Pulled the bloody net off. Ferrets are still down. They're not shown yet, so they're probably onto another rabbit. Hopefully I don't have to dig it out. This ground is so hard. I'll just bolt one here. Good little worker, this one. Titch. Both of them are. Yeah, both good workers. Big Rich is still down though, so we'll have to try and find him. Happy with that. Going back down. Big lad's back out now. Just noticed already we've got 2 ticks attached to him, which is us no 3 ticks. You see that dark patch there? So obviously sort them out straight away. Really busy today, considering it's a Monday. Quite a few people out walking, hiking. It's a lovely day, so I don't blame them. Right, this looks like there's a good chance we're going to get one out of this. It's fresh rabbit poo. There's a lot of activity using this hole. So I'm going to set up the drone as well as this camera. Hopefully we get at least one out of here. Go. Rabbits, we'll use these at night time, play in them at night, use them for safety. Probably one day it will become a fully fledged rabbit warren, or maybe if a rabbit gets kicked out of his group, if a rabbit gets kicked out of his burrow, he might end up coming into this warren and using it for a bit. But alright, just seeing a rabbit run into this warren. There was about 5 others and they ran that way. But we'll stick some nets on here, get the drone up, and hopefully we can catch this rabbit and get it on the drone footage. that's all the nets set. Don't actually have quite enough nets, so I've had to use rocks to block the holes away, block the holes up. Yeah, I'll set this up here. We've got a good angle there. Maybe here. Yep, there. Can't believe that. The one hole I left unnetted, and I was going to go and put my feet in it. It really started to annoy me, this drone is. It's not landing, and it's ran out of battery almost, so I don't know what's going to happen with it now. Annoyingly, it went and flew right above that tree, so if it does just come down, it's probably going to get stuck in there anyway. There we go. Oh, it's avoiding. Yeah. That could have gone. Is it broke? Broke a propeller. Maybe the camera. We'll see. We'll turn it back on. Say goodbye to the drone. It's actually broke. The joys of wanting to make YouTube videos. That's I was hoping to get some nice drone footage this week. Maybe the dogs bolting rabbits to the dogs and that. Okay, ferrets come out now, so I'm going to pick these nets up, shoot off, go back to the van. And then I need to do some other bits. I need to go back to the shop to get a fuse for my inverter, because I blew that up the other day. Get some more food. Prep this one rabbit, feed that to the dogs. So yeah, not a great start, is it? Gutted about the drone. Like I say, it's just been a problem after problem with that, and I crashed it the other week and it landed in the tree. It managed to obviously save it this time. It somehow managed to fall through the tree and smash on the floor. Ferret finder collar broke the other day. This one doesn't seem to be working. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.